Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can create an AdSense account. So by the end of this video you're going to understand how to create an easy quick way to create an AdSense account. Now you're going to visit this site, which is the adsense.google.com.start, click get started, then sign into your Google account. Enter the URL of the site that you want to show ads on, so of course you will need a website. If you want to add your site later on, leave this field empty and select I don't have a site yet. Choose whether you like AdSense to send you customized helps and performance suggestions. We recommend that you choose yes, so we can help you get more out of AdSense. You can change your contact settings later. Select your payment country or territory. Review and accept the AdSense terms and conditions. Click Start using AdSense, and you're now signed into your new AdSense account. You can then explore your new AdSense account, and you might notice that some features are unavailable. That's because there are a few tasks that you need to complete before you can fully activate your account. And learn how to activate your AdSense account, which is a little link here, but we're going to go through that into another video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.